Dear students, welcome to online class conducted by Rajbari Government College. Today, I will teach you Unit 1 Lesson 3 from your first paper textbook. I am Sarwar Morshed, Assistant Professor English, Rajbari Government College. Today, I will discuss two extraordinary personalities, Valentina Tereshkova and Kalpana Chawla. These two women hold extraordinary qualities. They are the women of extraordinary achievements. Today, I would like to discuss on two personalities. Firstly, Valentina Tereshkova. Valentina Tereshkova, who was born on 6 March 1937. Valentina Tereshkova was born in the village Masli district in central Russia. You know, Russia, which was the part of Soviet Union, is now an independent country. Valentina Tereshkova was born in a village in central Russia. Tereshkova's father was a tractor driver and her mother worked in a textile plant. She was a woman born in an ordinary family because her father was a tractor driver and her mother worked in a textile plant. But she contributed much and she was very brave personality. Tereshkova began school in 1945 at the age of 8. When Tereshkova was 8 years old only, he began school in 1945. Dear students, do you know 1945? Why is 1945 important in our history? Do you know? জাতিসংঘের সৃষ্টি হয়েছে 1945 সালে। দ্বিতীয় বিশ্বযুদ্ধ শেষ হয় 1945 সালে। Tereshkova began school in 1945 at the age of 8, but left school in 1953. He could not continue his school life. She could not continue her school life. She left school in 1953 and continued her education through distance learning. Do you have any idea about distance learning? What is distance learning? Bengali meaning দূরশিক্ষা। বাংলাদেশের জোরে পড়া ছাত্রছাত্রী যারা আছে, যারা সময় মতো পড়াশোনা করতে পারেনি, তারা এই ডিস্টেন্স লার্নিং এর মাধ্যমে পড়াশোনা করে। বাংলাদেশে একটা ইউনিভার্সিটি আছে, বাংলাদেশ ওপেন ইউনিভার্সিটি। তারা বিভিন্ন কোর্স কন্ডাক্ট করে, এইচএসসি, ডিগ্রি, পাস, অনার্স, বিবিএ, এমবিএ। এই ডিস্টেন্স লার্নিং এর মাধ্যমে এটা কন্ডাক্টেড হয়। তো ভ্যালেন্টিনা তেরেস্কোভা তেমনি এডুকেশন নিয়েছেন ডিস্টেন্স লার্নিং এর মাধ্যমে। She became interested in parachuting from a young age. As I said you, she was very brave. She became interested in parachuting from a young age. From the young age, she was very much interested in parachuting. Do you know what is parachuting? Diving, diving, skydiving, diving from the sky, and trained in skydiving at the local aero club, making her first jump at the age 22 on 21st May 1959. লোকাল একটা এরিও ক্লাব থেকে তিনি প্রশিক্ষণ নিয়েছেন স্কাই ডাইভিং এর উপরে, এবং প্রথম যে স্কাই ডাইভিংটা তার, এটা 22 বছরে ছিল তার, 1959 সালের 21শে মে। At that time, she was employed as a textile worker in local factory. She was working as a worker in a local factory. As I said you, she was born in an ordinary family. Her father was a tractor driver. Her mother was a textile plant worker. She also worked as a textile worker in a local factory. But she contributed much, being born in an ordinary village family. It was her expertise in skydiving that led to her selection as cosmonaut. She was selected as cosmonaut because she was very experienced. She was very brave, and it was possible for her expertise in skydiving. Dear students, after the flight of Yuri Gagarin, the first human being to travel to outer space in 1961, the Soviet Union decided to send a woman in space. Yuri Gagarin, the first human being to travel to outer space in 1961. So then Soviet Union decided to send a woman in space. Soviet Union wanted to send a woman in space, and our Valentina Tereshkova was this woman whom Soviet Union sent to space. On 16 February 1962, Proletaria Valentina Tereshkova was selected for this project from among more than 400 applicants. She was of course very competent because she was selected among 400 applicants. 400 women were interested for this job, but Valentina Tereshkova was selected for this job. She was very competent personality. Tereshkova had to undergo a series of training that included weightlessness flights, isolation tests, centrifuge test, rocket theory, spacecraft engineering, 120 parachute jumps, and pilot training in MiG-15 UTI jet fighters. Dear students, Tereshkova received training on various skills such as weightlessness flights, isolation tests, centrifuge tests, rocket theory, spacecraft engineering, parachute jumps, etc. She wanted to make herself fit for space traveling, and so she received various training. Since the successful launch of the spacecraft Vostok 5 on 14 June 1963, Tereshkova began preparing for her own flight. On the morning of 16 June 1963, Tereskova and her backup cosmonaut Soloveva were dressed in spacesuits and taken to the space shuttle Launchpad by bus. After completing her communication and life support checks, she was sealed inside Vostok 6. Finishing a 2-hour countdown, Vostok 6 landed for this. She was housed in Vostok 6 after completing her communication and life support checks. She was sealed inside Vostok 6 and finishing a 2-hour countdown, Vostok 6 landed faultlessly. There was no fault in landing, in launching the Vostok 6. Although Tereskova experienced nausea and physical discomfort for much of the flight, she orbited the Earth 48 times and spent almost 3 days in space. Dear students, nausea and physical discomfort. When we travel by air, we feel some discomfort. We feel some travel sickness. যদিও তেরেস্কোভা নসিয়া এবং ফিজিক্যাল ডিসকমফোর্ট ছিল এই ফ্লাইটের জন্য, she orbited the earth 48 times and spent almost 3 days in space. সে প্রায় ব্যয় করেছে 3 দিন স্পেস। It was really extraordinary. With a single flight, she logged more flight time than the combined times of all American astronauts. সে সিঙ্গেল ফ্লাইটে সবচেয়ে বেশি সময় লক করেছে, যেটা কম্বাইন্ড টাইম ছিল যেটা আমেরিকান অ্যাস্ট্রোনটসদের তাদের চেয়ে। Who had flown before that date. Tereskova also maintained a flight log and took photographs of horizon. She took photographs of horizon, which were later used to identify aerosol layers within the atmosphere. Vostok 6 was the final Vostok flight and was launched 2 days after Vostok 5. Vostok 6 টা ফাইনাল Vostok ছিল এবং সেটা লঞ্চ করেছিল 2 দিন পর Vostok 5 এর, which carried Valery Vygotsky into a similar orbit for 5 days, landing 3 hours after Tereskova. The two vessels approached each other within 5 kilometers at one point, and from space Tereskova communicated with Vygotsky and the Soviet leader Khrushchev by radio. Tereskova, in her space traveling, communicated with two personalities, Vygotsky and the Soviet leader Khrushchev, by using radio signal. Much later, in 1977, Tereskova earned a doctorate in engineering from Zhukovsky Air Force Academy. Zhukovsky Air Force Academy থেকে 1977 এ Tereskova doctorate degree লাভ করে ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং এর উপরে। Though she was born in an ordinary family, she has done this. She was possible to reach her goal only for her strong determination and willpower, only for the combination of her vision and mission. Afterwards, she turned to politics. Tereskova engaged herself into politics. She turned to politics. During the Soviet reign, she became one of the presidium members of Supreme Soviet. Tereskova was successful in politics because She became the president member of the Supreme Soviet. Now this living legend is a member in the lower house of Russian legislature. She is working as a member in the lower house of the Russian legislature. On her 17th birthday, when she was invited by the Russian Prime Minister Vladimir Putin, she expressed her desire to fly to Mars even if for a one-way trip. She has not stopped. She is firmly resolved to challenge, to, to, to take challenge. She expressed her desire to fly to Mars. Though she was a politician now, she has been engaged in politics and she became the president member of Supreme Soviet. She became a member in the lower house of the Russian legislature. This lady has outstanding qualities. Though she is a woman, though she was born in an ordinary family, she took her education through distance learning. She is firmly resolved. She is strongly determined. And so she expressed her desire to fly to Mars. Dear students, now I will discuss on Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla is also a woman of outstanding qualities. Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal, India. Kalpana Chawla was born in this Indian subcontinent. She was born in Karnal, India. She completed her earlier schooling at Tagore Bal Niketan Senior Secondary School, Karnal. She took her education from Karnal. She is the first Indian-born woman and the second person in space from this subcontinent. She was the second of this subcontinent to travel the space. After graduating in aeronautical engineering from Punjab Engineering College, India, after graduating in aeronautical engineering from Punjab Engineering College, India in 1982, Chawla moved to the United States the same year. After graduating in, dear students, after graduating in aeronautical engineering from Punjab Engineering College, India in 1982, Chawla moved to the Soviet states the same year. Chawla went to United States in 1982. She obtained her master's degree in aerospace engineering from the University of Texas in 1984. In 1984, she took her master's degree in aerospace engineering from the University of Texas. You know, Texas University is a famous university. Later, she did her PhD in aerospace engineering in 1988 from the University of Colorado. Colorado University থেকে সে PhD লাভ করে 1988 সালে। Determined to become an astronaut even in the face of Challenger disaster 1986 that broke apart 73 seconds into its flight, leading to the deaths of its 7 crew members. Chawla joined NASA in 1988. তখন আসলে একটা চ্যালেঞ্জ ছিল নাসায় যোগ দেওয়া, যেহেতু একটা ডিজাস্টার হয়েছিল 1986 এ। তো সেখানে 7 জন ক্রু মারা গিয়েছিল। এরকম একটা অবস্থায় সে নাসায় যোগ দেয় 1988 সালে। She began working as a vice president where she did computational fluid dynamics, research on vertical takeoff and landing. In 1991, she got US citizenship and started her career as a NASA astronaut in 1995. 1991 সালে সে সিটিজেন হয়ে যায়, আমেরিকার সিটিজেন হয়ে যায় এবং তার ক্যারিয়ার শুরু করে নাসার অ্যাস্ট্রোনট হিসাবে। She was selected for her first flight in 1996. প্রথম সে সিলেকশন পায় 1996 ফার্স্ট ফ্লাইটের জন্য। She spoke the following words while traveling in the weightlessness of space. যখন সে ট্রাভেল করছিল, আমরা জানি যে স্পেসে ওয়েটলেসনেস থাকে সেখানে, তো সেখান থেকে সে বলে you are just your intelligence. She had traveled 10.67 million miles, as many as 252 times around the earth. Her first space mission STS-87 began on 19 November 1997 with 6 other astronauts on the Space Shuttle Columbia. On our first mission that lasted for 15 days, 16 hours, 34 minutes and 4 seconds, she traveled 6.5 million miles. It was really very adventurous that she traveled 6.5 million miles within 15 days, 17 hours, 34 minutes and 4 seconds. She was responsible for developing the Spartan satellite, which, however, malfunctioned, necessitating a spacewalk by Winston, Scott, and Takuda, 2 of her fellow astronauts, to retrieve the satellite. In 2000, she was selected for her second space mission, STS-107. This mission was repeatedly delayed due to scheduling conflicts and technical problems. It was delayed for conflicts and technical problems. On 16 January 2003, Kalpana Chawla finally started her new mission with 6 other space crew on the ill-fated Space Shuttle Columbia. She was one of the mission specialists. Chawla's responsibilities included the microgravity experiments, for which the crew conducted nearly 80 experiments studying Earth and space science, advanced technology development, and astronaut health and safety. Really, it was praiseworthy that the crew conducted nearly 80 experiments studying Earth and space science. It was really extraordinary that advanced technology development and astronaut health and safety. After a 16-day scientific mission in space on 1st February 2003, Columbia disintegrated over Texas during its re-entry into the Earth's atmosphere. All the crew in Columbia, including Chawla, died only 60 minutes prior to their scheduled landing. We lost Kalpana Chawla on 1st February 2003. Investigation shows that this fatal accident happened due to a damage in one of Columbia's wings caused by a pitch of insulting foam from the external fuel tank filling up during the launch. This accident was caused due to a damage in one of the Columbia's wings caused by pitch of insulating foam from the external fuel tank peeling off during the blast. We lost Kalpana Chawla, the Indian subcontinent lost Kalpana Chawla, the world lost Kalpana Chawla. During the intense heat of re-entry, hot gases penetrated the interior of the wing, destroying the support structure and causing the rest of the shuttle to break down. Dear students, both Valentina Tereshkova and Kalpana Chawla were the women of extraordinary qualities or the women of extraordinary bravery. They were both very courageous, intelligent, and as well as adventurous. Uh, Dear students, you will exercise from these two topics. You will read these two personalities, and I think you will prepare yourself for your exam. Thank you very much.